For new latest video, click on like button, press subscriber button and hit the bell icon. Hey guys, welcome to Gyan Provider. Today I will show you how to increase performance for Windows 7. Steps are very easy. Just follow my instruction. First you have to press Window plus R. Then type prefetch. As you can see from video, then press OK. Now you have to delete all the file which you can see in the folder. Now close this folder. Now again you have to do the same task. This time you have to type %temp, again %, then OK, and delete all the files. These files are temporary. Now again you have to delete all this file. We can say these files are junk file which are automatically downloaded from internet. They are of no use. Now again third step, you have to run and again do the same step. This time you have to write ms config, then go to startup and click on disable and click apply and OK and exit without restart. Now open control panel, click on program and features and click on turn Windows on off. Remove the check mark. Under program and features, turn window features on off. Now it will take little time. After it get done, click on restart later and you have to open disk cleanup. Just click on start menu and type disk cleanup and open it, and you have to clean up all these temporary files under disk C. C is your drive where program file get installed. Now delete all the files. These are junk file, guys. After delete, click on OK. Delete files. Now you can restart your computer, laptop, PC. Thank you so much, guys. You can now feel the performance get increased. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please share it among your friends, please.